Dear aspirant, welcome to Current Affairs for UPSC by Zaki. Today, we are going to discuss about the world's fastest quantum computer. Before we are going to the topic, I request you to please subscribe my channel for this kind of video, because we provide you about 45 significant video for the civil services examination. As you know, in previous years, there are a lot of questions basically in the preliminary examination asked from the science and technology, ecology, environment, and geography. So we provide you the material which you never found anywhere, because these material are taken from the very significant science magazine like Science Daily, Science Alert, Nature, etc. So I hope you will subscribe my channel and also join my blog with the similar name, Current Affairs for UPSC by Zaki. So let's start with today's topic. World's fastest quantum computer. Basically, a team of Chinese scientists have developed the most powerful quantum computer in the world. It is capable of performing at least one task is 100 trillion times faster than the world's fastest supercomputer. If we present a supercomputer is 100 trillion times less than this supercomputer, means quantum supercomputer. So let's, in 2019, Google said it has built the first machine to achieve the quantum supremacy. Google said. And it is first to outperforming the world-based supercomputer at the quantum calculation. But the Chinese computer, this Chinese computer is basically this Chinese computer called Zhuozhang. Basically, the Chinese team based primarily at the University of Science and Technology of China, HiFiP, reported their quantum computer name, which is also named as Zhuozhang, is 10 billion times faster than the Google quantum computer. So it is very significant. Further, assuming both clients hold up, Zhuozhang would be the second quantum computer if we consider Google first and then Zhuozhang is second, the quantum computer to achieve quantum supremacy anywhere in the world. So it is second quantum computer, but it is 10 billion times faster than the Google computer. So China is also investing vast amount in quantum computer and quantum network. So it is, we call it China, the world leader in quantum networking. So China has invested heavily in quantum computing, with Xi Jinping's government spending about $10 billion at the country's National Laboratory for the Quantum Information and Sciences. The country is also a world leader in quantum networking, where data encoded using quantum mechanics is transmitted across the great distance, as Live Science reported. As I earlier told you, various science magazine, Live Science is also a very good site for the science. Basically, if you are interested in science, you can read life science. And also, so the Chinese computer made its calculation limited to a particular question about the behavior of the light particle, basically using optical circuit. So basically, Chinese computer using optical circuit, and the Google device, basically Google device name is Psyche. You also know about Psyche. Uses supercomputing material on the, it is using superconductor. It is not using optical circuit. Means it is not using light particle. Means Google quantum computer materials on a chip, and more nearly resembles the basic structure of the our classical supercomputer. So know about the optical and what are the calculation and what is this. So all about that. It is Gusen-Boson sampling. What is it? Is simply called GBS task. So what is GBS task? Basically, the speed of supercomputer is basically measured in the GBS task. So you know about what is GBS task. So to test user, the researcher assigned the GBS task where the computer calculates the output of a complex circuit that uses light. Further, that output is expressed as the limit number. Light is made of, as you know, photon particle. We are building the category. As we know, light is made of by the photon particle, and it also belongs to the category of particle known as boson. So that's why it is called GBS. So it is 100 trillion times faster than a classical computer. So see, its calculation time to produce the list of number of each experimental run was about 200 seconds. It is used at the GBS, and so it is perform a calculation which is about 200 seconds, while the same calculation with the fastest Chinese supercomputer. The fastest Chinese supercomputer is also called Taihu Light. Taihu Light is fastest Chinese supercomputer. Would have taken the same calculation. These the classical computer would have 2.5 billion years. It is only 200 seconds, and it is 2.5 billion years to arrive the same result, same calculation. So that's why they suggest the quantum computer can do GBS 100 trillion times faster than a classical computer. So that's all about the world fastest quantum computer, which is made by China. So China is leading in the quantum computer technique, and we will also give you lecture on the first quantum network, also started in China recently. So know about more detail. For that, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video. So we further move our next section. Next section is question for the UPSC. Consider the following statements. The Zhuozhen is 100 billion times faster than Google's quantum supercomputer. Number 2, the Chinese supercomputer makes its calculation using superconducting materials. Which of the above statements is correct? A, only 1, B, only 2, C, both 1 and 2, and D, neither 1 nor 2. Please write your answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel. So we further move our next section. It is answer of the previous question. Consider the following statement. The precipitation pattern is facing changes as Himalaya is warming at faster rate as compared to that of rest of the world. Number 1. Number 2, it had been observed in the Himalaya in the past that eastern Himalayas get more precipitation during the winter. It is not eastern, it is northwest. Northwest Himalayas get more. So it is wrong and it is right. So which of the above statement is correct? So only 1 is right answer. 2 is wrong. 1 and 2 both wrong. So answer is A. So hope you will tell your friends and also colleagues who are preparing or appearing this year, basically in 2021. And it is very current affairs, very significant current affairs news regarding these science and technology. So please share and subscribe my channel and share this video. And thanks for watching and thanks a lot.